If you've had any remaining questions about what the Pixel 8 Pro looks like, Google is here to answer them. The company has put online a 360-degree simulator that lets you turn the device over back to front and top to bottom, with helpful indicators pointing out where various sensors and ports are located. The simulator shows the phone in 3 colors and confirms that the Pixel 8 Pro will be getting a new temperature sensor on the back beside the cameras. The simulator was spotted by Jose Rubin and highlighted by Michelle Rahman, who both posted about it on X. Google doesn't appear to have published a link to the website. But all you have to do is plug the new phone's name into the URL of Google's other Pixel simulators and the new phone appears. Presumably, it went online early and someone found it while poking around. The page has since been pulled, but many of the X-tipsters and leaksters still managed to save some images in time. Also, we have a screen recording of the simulator with the courtesy of X-user Fahad. The simulator doesn't include specific specs, so there's still more room for Pixel leaks over the coming month. And the simulator for the standard Pixel 8 doesn't appear to be online yet. Google's mock-ups show the Pixel 8 Pro retaining a SIM card slot. The phone is shown in 3 colors, a pale blue, a sandy porcelain, and black. There don't appear to be any major software changes on the home screen. The mock-ups all show Google's favorite color matching widgets and the traditional at-a-glance widget. Fun fact, this is the 500th time Google has leaked the Pixel 8 Pro just this week. It previously leaked a photo of the phone in porcelain and a demo video explaining its temperature sensor. The company announced plans to launch the new phones with an event on October 4th. Here's a bunch of screenshots of the simulator showing all the different feature highlights and color options from different angles. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.